Hey guys, today let's learn how to remove two-factor authentication on Instagram. So if you guys would like to go ahead and turn off your two-factor authentication over on the Instagram application, all we need to do first is to go on over our Instagram application and then slide to the profile options and then access your three lines icon in the top right corner. So once you're there, I'd like you to go on over on your account center and then tap on password and security. Okay, so once you're already here, let's go on over our two-factor authentication, choose our preferred Instagram account, and then proceed with turning this off. Now from here, I actually have this option turned off already, but once you launch this, of course, the next option that you guys should see once you tap on your two-factor authentication is to turn it off. So just go ahead and just tap on turn off to successfully turn off your two-factor authentication. Essentially, that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe and take care.